It really depends on the customer base. But so if we're talking about a farmer, the farmers that are using Agri-Data solution are interested in tracking data down to a fine detail. They want to know their unit cost of production. They want to know their expected production of grain so they can market their grain better. They want to forecast the amount of product they're going to need, such as fertilizer and pesticides, based on the crops they're going to grow. They want to look at historical issues across the crops they've been growing and the pesticides they've been using, weed pressures, field scouting information. They really want to track the information at the finest detail to make their farm more profitable. They need to track the information from a food safety and sustainability point of view. So say you're growing potatoes and you're processing potatoes, the people who are buying the potatoes would like to know how much water was used on them, what kind of fertilizer was used, what kind of pesticides were used on those potatoes, and really provides a better understanding of how that production was grown and the food concerns or safety concerns around certain pesticide usage, over applying fertilizer, wasting water on acres that don't need it. So this tool lets processors identify exactly what's happening on the farming operations and help make them more efficient and sustainable for the long term. We also work with ag retails and crop consultants who are a channel to deliver Agri-Data solution to their farmers. Because the system is an enterprise-based system, they can work with multiple growers and provide those services through the Agri-Data solution to their customers, such as field scouting, pesticide recommendations, fertilizer recommendations. And because we're web-based, they can deliver those recommendations to their customers through the interface, through the Agri-Data solution. As you introduce technology into your operation, it can help you become more efficient. You may be a successful farmer, but there might be certain areas you're not tracking that you could find more efficiencies in. It may just give you more transparency across your organization. As farms get bigger, they have more and more people who need to access information in real time. And the Agri-Data solution allows multiple users within a farm organization to access and share data real time, which helps them with better decision making, which will ultimately result in better profits on the farm. In the ag retail world, a lot of ag retails deliver services to customers, but a lot of it's not documented. So they kind of go as the grower doesn't recognize the value that the retail is bringing by delivering those services. When they start using the Agri-Data solution, they're able to document very quickly and efficiently what they're doing. At the end of the year, when they meet with their growers, they can show them the value they're bringing by walking their fields, by prescribing better fertilizers and tracking their pesticide recommendations. Food processors, as the world's changing, food safety is becoming a bigger and bigger concern. The ability to track information down to the field level on where the crops were grown, whether it's potatoes or vegetables or wheat or barley. The ability to track that information right back to the source of where it's grown, what type of soil, what fertilizers, what pesticides, how much water was used, is going to become more and more valuable, and in the future may become a requirement for most organizations to track. One of the things we work with is sharing information with other organizations and making that sharing of information automated. So if a grower is using Agri-Data solution, they can submit their records electronically, whether it's for crop insurance or to a processor. They can send the information electronically, and it can pass through the different stages all the way through to the end consumer. Well, by moving things to electronic database that's real time, multiple users can interact together. So, for example, if someone goes out to the field and scouts a field and sees a pesticide problem and makes a recommendation, and then that person was to leave and go on holidays, the next scout comes out to check it out. They can see the information, know exactly what's been going on in that field, review the history, and pick up where the last guy left off. So there's a lot of efficiencies that can be gained by putting the information in an accessible format to multiple people. First off, you check out our website, www.agridatasolution.com, and contact us. We have contact information on there. Contact me directly. We can come out, set up a meeting, give you a trial run of the system and a demo of how it works, and we can show you how it can help you in your business.